Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ariel and I am going to show you how to make some fire dip today. It's going to be amazing. You're going to want to take it to the next holiday party because we are bringing the heat to the holiday party this year. So we are going to be making a creamy jalapeno dip. Everybody loves spicy things. All you need is sour cream, a jar of jalapenos, and this ranch, Hidden Valley Ranch dip. You don't want to get the dressing, the dip. And then just tortilla chips is all you need. It's really simple. Let's get started. Although I did forget, sorry guys, there is a fourth ingredient and it is a mandatory ingredient. You have to have that. We're gonna get started now. Let's get going. First, take our sour cream, just any old sour cream, and dump it into a bowl. So there's that. That's it. So the next thing you want to do is grab one of these packets. I think you can even buy these single packets. You don't have to buy the box. Whenever I went, they only had the box left, so it's okay. I make this dip frequently. I will use all of these packets. So it's just one packet per 16 ounces of dip. And then you just dump it into your sour cream. Nothing special at all. Done. Boom. No need to mix it yet. We'll mix it all together with our final ingredient, the jalapenos. I just get a regular jalapeno. You can get the hot, mild, whatever you want to do. I just get regular, and they come pickled. So first I'm going to have to drain this juice. So I'm going to snap my fingers and the juice is going to be gone. Let's give it a try. Whoa! If that didn't happen for you, you need to talk to your editor because there's no juice in here now. All right, so next we're gonna take off the lid and put this in our processor. So I need you guys a little bit closer. Okay, so next we're just gonna take these slices and put them into a little food processor. If you don't have one of these, they're super cheap at Walmart. Just go get one. Or if you wanna slice them all up or throw them in the blender, do whatever you have to do. So we're gonna put these in the food processor here. Any minute now, they'll all be in there. Boom. Done. So next we're just going to pulse this a few times until they're chopped. That is a perfect consistency right here. Looks almost like a relish, so if you want to play a trick on your older brother, just tell him to try your homemade relish. Works every time. Next we just take out the blade and you unhook the jalapenos. We're just gonna dump this in the bowl. We are just about finished. All we're gonna do is mix this together, and it's about to be lit up in here. My hand's getting kind of tired. I need a break, a drink break. Here we go. I'm back and I'm refreshed. It really shouldn't tire your hand. I think I'm just out of shape. All right, so that is pretty much it. I will say if you want it a little spicier, because this isn't going to be very spicy with just jalapenos in it, based on how much of a baby you are. It will have a little kick, however. But if you really like spicy food, in my household, we add a couple dashes of this hot sauce, chili habanero. We're almost out, we use it a lot. We make this dip all the time. You can add at your own risk. Be careful, it is very hot. Whenever we add it to our dish, it's only like a couple dashes, literally. You don't need very much. All right, so that is pretty much it. I, am the queen of being lazy. Is that bad to say? I guess, but I at least contribute to these holiday parties and I bring dishes. It may not take me very long to make or very many ingredients, but I love dips. I really don't like to waste a lot of time, so just go to the store, get a few ingredients, come back, make this dip, and you're ready to go to this holiday party. You don't have to do hardly any planning at all. People love this dip though. We love it. You'll love it. If you love it, subscribe for that. I don't know, just do things like that. So since this dip is going to be bringing the heat to your holiday party, we picked up some dishes from your local grocery store, Target, whatever, just to make it look a little bit more festive, like you put some effort into it. We know you didn't. Just to make it look the part. We picked up this Santa Claus dish. It was like $2 at Target. Dip bowl. You can get that anywhere. Festive AF. All we're gonna do is put some of our dip into the bowl. So now we're just going to add some chips around this little Santa Claus. You can use whatever tortilla chips. I just really like this brand. And then you could just make it pretty. And that is it. You guys can thank me later, or you can thank me now by dropping a like or a subscribe. Whatever your little heart desires. Just make this dip and enjoy it. If you need schooling on how to eat this dip, you just take a chip and just dip a big old glob. You could do a small if you're on a diet, or you just do a big old glob. Super creamy, a little bit of kick from that jalapeno. The ranch dip just adds layers of flavors. I don't know what they put in that dip seasoning, but it's amazing. So if you like this video, drop a like. It really helps this channel grow. Then subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you next week. All right. Bye. You guys can go now.